foyer. And granted, remember, this is just for us.
Bathroom number 1.
The first bathroom. This is literally ours for 12 hours. Oh shit, there's a whole other shower. This is a full fucking bathroom. Oh my god. And this is the opposite of what we had last time. It's the exact opposite. So we have a kitchen with a bar. Big ass TV. Living room. The main bedroom. I guess this is the only bedroom, but.
And our bathroom.
Like, I want you guys to really understand how big this is. Like, I'm standing on the other side. But, wait until.
What's special though is this is a different view than we've ever had, which is very special, right?
Oh my god.
That's gonna be the sphere when we see
You
it.
can see it. You can see that little black knob above over there. That like nothingness. That'll light up eventually. I'm like, this is tied to my wrist, but I'm still scared to do this. Whoa. So that's Las Vegas Boulevard. That's the main strip. I mean, it feels absolutely stunning up here. There's a nice little breeze. I've never seen this side.
I've never seen this side before. We've never had a room on this side.
Holy shit.
So we're gonna have tea on Thursday.
Guys. We fucking made it. And this is a wraparound balcony. So like we walked outside and we're still walking.
We have 2 balconies. Full ass balcony.
Because then,
Probably locked me.
oh, it's locked. Okay, so that was the living room we were just in. So, but yeah.